Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is guidance. It's time to ask for wisdom, knowledge, understanding. Someone and something, a download is going to come your way to make your life easier. You may be in a place where you're wondering, what is my next step? What do I do next? The person is going to give you a wise word of wisdom. I want you to have a teachable heart, a teachable spirit, a humble soul, where you take that information, that wisdom, and you utilize it because it's going to take you to the next step. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light that's in my being. I'm directed to doors that will open to my inner freedom, and I step forward into my trust. I release my faith to God, and my faith is rewarded. Are you ready to be elevated? Well, it's time to join your prayer life, meditation life, going out to the elements life, and not only just asking for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, but listening, then implementing. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.